guys, Wob Media here, and as you can see from behind me, we've got Frostbite here today for this video. Obviously you can see we've got the Miata behind me as well. We did get that all fixed up. I do want to clean this sucker up on the inside. She has been the daily driver for the winter, so let's get into some more in-depth things on this truck. I know I gave you guys a little bit of a brief in the last video, but we're going to go into a little bit more depth, and then we're going to get into some deep cleaning on the interior of Frostbite. So as you can see, I talked about the wheels, the roll pan, some stickers on it. I did a couple of interior things on it. Obviously, cat eyes don't come with white bumpers on them. They come with the black on top, gray on bottom. So obviously, it's not the best of jobs. It's just a little bit of a spray paint job that I did. But I mean, for the aspect of it, it works. That's what I needed. Same with the fender flares. Originally black. I painted them white with some spray paint. Just a quick job. I'll probably end up getting like an actual paint gun for this to try to redo all this stuff. As you can see, over the winter time, they got damaged, paint peeled up. I mean, I've got a Chevy truck. Chevy trucks are known for having paint chips all over them, if you can't tell from all of this mess right here. But I went ahead and wrapped my mirrors to match with the white. We've got white door handles with little chrome pieces put on top of them. Now if we step on into the interior, as you can see, I have got some cow print on the top part of the door. There was carpet on the bottom originally, but it did end up falling off, so I just took it all the way off for now. We're probably going to do something special with that. Might match with the cow print, but I think it might be too much. Went ahead and painted the speaker grills white to match the rest of the car. We've got some Scar door speakers. They're 6.5 inches, and then we've got some of their tweeters up on the top. So I've got full Scar door speakers on here. And as you can see from the dash, we did kind of start the project of redoing the interior black. I've got a majority of it taken care of so far, but we still got like the top panel to do black. So I'll have a video on that sometime soon, I'm hoping. I'd love to get that finished up. But I mean, other than that, pretty much it's kind of stock in here. I mean, I've got an aftermarket radio. As you can see, it is a 7-inch Pioneer deck. Works wonders. But then if we take our look up, we've got aftermarket headliner in it. Just a little bit of like a leather stitching on it. I love the way it looks. I might change it up, but we will probably have a video on that if I do change it up. Now if we take a look into our back door, obviously I had to follow the front door design and bring it to the back for my back passengers. We've got the white speaker grill. It's got one of the smaller Scar speakers in there. And then obviously we've got the cow print to match along with it. As you can see, we have got a Scar box. It's one of their pre-made boxes that they have. It's got two 10 inches in it. They're rated to I think 2500 watts, and I'm only pushing like a 500 watt added. I do want to upgrade the amp here eventually, but as you can see, I've got a little bit of a light strip, so we'll go ahead and show you that right now. So that is about everything I've gotten done so far on this thing. It has been my little project last year. That's why I wasn't posting very much. I wish I would have recorded a bunch of this stuff, but just with lack of motivation to do it and everything, I am back. I'm here. I want to push myself this year. So let's get into some deep cleaning on the interior now. So obviously we're going to start off with taking, if I can grab them, grabbing our floor mats, taking our floor mats out. Obviously I don't have any floor mats in the rear. When we come into our driver's side here, we're taking out our driver's side mat, but we're gonna start off with probably a quick vacuum on everything and then start working from there. As you can see, there's some deep stains in the back that I want to try to attempt, so we will see. we've got our carpets all not taken care of. That was kind of just a quick vacuum over top of it. We've got our carpet cleaner right here along with our drill brush, as you can see. So we're gonna start with the back and then work our way to the front. We're kind of just doing this half and then we're gonna work on that half. Now that we've got the carpet cleaner over top of it with our drill brush, we're gonna go back over top with our vacuum here. Well, shop vac vacuum, same thing. Let's get this all taken care of. Now that we've got the carpets somewhat done to my liking, and obviously it's a daily driver, so it doesn't have to be perfect, we're going to mess with this passenger seat next. We're going to roll her back. We're just going to do the same method as I just did. We're going to be going over it with our vacuum, then carpet cleaner, drill brush, and back to the vacuum. So let's get right into it. Now that we have got this taken care of, we've got this taken care of and this taken care of. Obviously they're not perfect by all means, but they're at least somewhat cleaned up. I didn't need them perfect or anything. So now we're gonna hop onto the driver's side and follow our same steps on our 3 areas, and then we will do the back seat. Now that we've got the back carpets, the seat, and the floor all taken care of, we're going to be heading over to this back seat area right here. Obviously I got to move my little truck mascot that I've got back here. Take care of these back seats and then we'll start working on the rest of the interior. So now that we've got the back carpets and the front carpets touched up, looking a little bit nicer, I'm happy with them for right now. Obviously they're not perfect. This isn't meant to be like a professional detailer or anything. I'm kind of just doing this because I need a little bit of a refresh in the truck. But we're going to be taking our interior cleaner that we've got, and then a brush, and we've got 2 microfibers to go along with it. So the first thing we are going to start off with our interior cleaners, we're going to start on this door, and then we're going to slowly work our way around, and then we'll do the back. So we'll make like a circular shape as we come around. Now that we've got that door all cleaned up and everything, we're going to slowly work our way around the plastics on this truck. So let's get started.
Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. Yeah, main crew say they weed it, kicking down the door. Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. What? Main crew say they with it, kicking down the door. Let's go. And switch the whole lane when I'm driving the machine. True vision, big dream, kingpin of the scene. King. They be talking on the net, I just count the green. Cash. From a phantom to a ghost, you know what I mean. Yeah. On a whole nother level. Let's get it. Endless chances that I took with the whole team. My team. Snake shedding they skin, see the fake gleam. Real balls, new whip, off white, so clean. Rhyme with the heavy metal, make a big scene. Haters see me winning when my dogs survive. Feed the haters alphabet letters, let them subscribe. Man, I had to play my moves right, give me my crown. Give me that fire, the whole game up. Cities my playground. My town. They be making wild claims out of nowhere, I don't hear them. Nah.
Now that we have got the driver's side all taken care of, we've got the plastics all cleaned up as you can see around. I went to about the radio and the center console, and now we're going to transfer to the other side and we're going to get all of those plastics done. I do still have to hit the top of this dash, so I'll do that real fast, and then we'll head over there and get all of those doors taken care of.
Make who say they with it, kicking down the door. Let's go. Sliding in a new coupe, black tint, big wheels, big wheels. Took her to the top floor, she know how I feel. No. Walking with that fire, dragon breath, that's the deal. Fire. Cat up under the hood, purring, that's a Porsche for real. Speaking in the studio, dropping his voice is moving. Icebox where the watch was, big jacuzzi. Vision so clear, Spike Lee, it's a movie. Action, keep the whole squad tight, family, we ain't losing. Never. Yo.
Now that we have got everything all cleaned up in here, we're gonna be taking our supplies out of here. Got it all cleaned up and looking nice, so we're gonna go take care of our floor mats real fast, throw those back in, and we'll show you the finished result. So as you guys can see, I do look a little bit different, got a little bit of a haircut. It has been a couple of days since the last clip. I was editing and realized, you know, I probably should have recorded an outro. So we're out here right now doing that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I know it might have been a little bit longer one. I think it was like 13-14 minutes if I remember correctly. We did go ahead and clean this sucker up. We got her all prettied up on the interior. It was a little bit of a deep clean. Sorry for all the wind noises in this video. My GoPro was stuck. Mic I have for it was kind of botchy and kind of freaking out on me. So I hope the audio was good. And if you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. But that will be all. Deuces!